Ever wondered how to keep your green thumb active in the concrete jungle of the city? Urban gardening can be tricky, with challenges like limited space, scarce sunlight, and poor soil quality. Yet, creativity can prevail. But don't worry, we have a solution that will turn your urban space into a green oasis: container gardening. So, what exactly is container gardening? It's a method of cultivating plants in containers instead of planting them in the ground. This offers flexibility, mobility, and a variety of plant choices. And the best part? You can start one right now. Ready to start your own urban green space? Here's how. Step 1. Choose the right containers. They need to be deep enough for your plant's roots and have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Ceramic pots, plastic tubs, or even repurposed items like old buckets can work well. Step 2. Select suitable plants. Consider your space's light levels and choose plants that will thrive there. Leafy greens, herbs, and small fruiting plants like tomatoes and strawberries are great for beginners. Step 3. Prepare your soil. Container gardens need well-draining soil, so consider a mix of compost, peat moss, and perlite. Step 4. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to their specific needs. Some plants prefer to be sown directly into the container, while others do better when started indoors. Step 5. Water and maintain your garden. Most plants like a steady supply of water, but be careful not to overwater. Regularly check for pests and diseases to keep your plants healthy. And there you have it, your very own container garden. Now that you know how easy it is to start a container garden, why not give it a try? Imagine the joy of nurturing your own plants, right in the heart of the city. Picture the satisfaction as you watch them grow, thriving under your care. Let your urban space bloom with life and color. So, go ahead, let's get our hands dirty together. Don't forget to share your progress with us, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!